3 reasons why you should choose the person who chooses you back. First, that person loves everything about you. Your fears, insecurities, and even mood swings. At sa mga araw na pakiramdam mo ay hindi ka kamahal-mahal, mamahalin ka pa rin niya unconditionally. That person will be your source of calmness, comfort, security, and stability. Second, that person will never take you for granted because that person knows your worth at alam mo ang lugar mo sa buhay niya. Hindi ka makakaramdam ng selos, pagdududa, at takot because that person will always make you feel like you're the only one. Third, that person will include you in his future plans, goals, and dreams. At hindi lamang yan sa salita, mararamdaman mo sa actions niya. Kung kaya naman, all of us need to be loved,